Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Impini coming to Mzansi Magic show Max's crime drama starring Nambita, Ben Mazwi and Siyabonga Tola is set to replace Gqeberha The Empire Season 2 on Mzansi Magic. Impini premieres on January 13th, 2025 at 21:00. Moving on, Uthando Nestembu has been renewed for an eighth season with more episodes amounting to a total of 24 episodes for season 18. It is set to air twice a week on Wednesday and Thursday. Season 8 premieres 22nd January 2025 on Mzansi Magic. Here is what to expect on Mzansi Magic in January 2025. Icala Season 2 premieres 6 January. Bromance Season 1 premieres 7 January. Gqeberha The Empire Season officially ends on 10 January. Big Brother Mzansi 5 premieres 12 January. Uthando Nestembu Season 8 premieres 22 January. Champions officially ends on the 31st of January. Thank you guys for watching.